Welcome to the Partner Business Technical Support team. My name's Phil. I'll be quickly taking you through how to reset the input counter for your PM870 meter. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to quickly check to see if I've got any readings on there in the first place. So if you go digital input output selection, digital input, currently I've got none, so what I'll do is I'll just add a couple of counts. So this is for your SI or S1 terminal. From here what I need to do is I need to go over to my my software, my PC. What you need to do is you need to make sure you've got a good connection between your PC and the actual meter itself. So you've got two options. Two options available to you. You've got Modbus TCP/IP or you've got Modbus Serial. So what I'm going to be doing is using Modbus TCP/IP, using a EGX100 which converts it to Modbus Serial. You could also use with this software a serial connection. So if you've got a serial to Modbus Serial interface, you can do that option as well. So this is the software here, the generic Modbus JBus tester. You just select your connection type. So I'm using TCP/IP. In my case, I go the IP address, which is 192.168.2.13. And what I like to do initially is just to test that I've got a good connection, because if you don't have a good connection in the first place, you're not going to get very far when programming this or doing this procedure. The slave address or the Modbus serial address for my particular meter is 6. I'm just going to go register 1000, go read, and as you can see up here I actually have a successful read. So I know my connection from my PC to the meter is good. So I'd definitely recommend doing that prior to commencing with this, otherwise you might spend a lot of time fault finding. So the first step I'm going to need to do is enter the command register, which is 8001. So if I go down within what I've currently got here is the PM870 user guide. I'm just going to quickly do a search for 8001, and what we have is we have a description here for 8001. So if you want some more information regarding this, just have a look at this particular section here. So what I'm going to do is go 8001, read, currently have nothing, and if you scroll down here, so this section here, so I/O point numbers, what we want is S1, and the I/O point number is 2. So we just write 2 into the register, write it to the register, and now we're ready to reset this particular value. So what we need to do from here, if you have a look, the register, the way we go about requesting this reset is by using the register, command register 8000, which is up here a bit, I believe. I'll go to the start of the document and just do another search. Here we go. This is the register where you write the commands, and the command we'll be using is 3365. 3365 search resets the operation counter for specified input. So what we need to do, go back to the software, select 8000, read it, currently got nothing, good, but it's good connection, and we just enter in 3065. Right, and as you can see on the meter itself, the register has reset. So for any more information regarding this, please consult your user guide, or please feel free to contact the Partner Business Technical Support team. The best way to get in contact with them is through your local Schneider Electric representative. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using the PM800 series.